Greetings, math fans. All right, so this is another lesson on probability. And remember, on the bottom here, you have your total outcomes, so that you have to add the numbers. So if you look at this chart here, okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 through 8. So there are 8 numbers. So that bottom number is 8. Super, super important. The bottom number is 8. For every single one of these problems, the bottom number is 8. Okay? So the first question is, what is the probability of getting a 4? So there's only one 4, so it's 1 over 8. What is the probability of getting a 4 or 5? Now remember, you have this or here. Okay, or means add. So the probability of getting a 4 or 5 is 1 plus 1, because there's one 4 and there's one 5 over 8. So the answer is 2 over 8. Okay, it's really not difficult at all. All right, and you might have to reduce it so that you should know that's 1/4. 2 over 8 is 1/4. Okay, the probability of getting a 2 through 8, that means a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 8. That's your answer. What's the probability of getting a multiple of 2? So a multiple 2 just means a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8. Okay, that's a multiple of 2. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these over 8, which is 1/2. Okay, what's the probability of getting a 6? Well, there's only one 6, so it's 1 over 8. What is the probability of 2, 4, or 5? Again, there's or, so there's a 2 or 4 or 5. There's 3 of those, so 3/8. What's the probability of getting a 2 through 7? That's a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 of them over 8. And you can reduce this, right? 2 goes into 6 3 times, 2 goes into 8 4 times, so it's 3/4. Okay, and then the last one, a multiple of 3. You guys should know 3 and 6, because it's basically, if you look at all the numbers, it's a 3 needs to go into the numbers, and the only one that goes into is the 3 and a 6. There's no 9 here. It would be a 9 as well, but there's only 2 numbers that are multiples of 3. This is an important one. Okay, this is really actually a very important one, a multiple of 3. Okay, so that means it's going to be 2 over 8, or 1/4. Okay, that's it, math fans. Goodbye.